Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a very easy, delicious, and family favorite recipe, meatballs with sauce. This recipe is especially loved by kids and is perfect for lunch boxes as well. So if you're looking for something tasty, quick, and comforting, this recipe is just for you. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and like and share this video with your friends and family. Now, let's start the recipe. Preparing the sauce, 0:30 to 1:30. First, we will prepare the sauce. Take 2 onions and chop them finely. Heat 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and fry them until they become soft and lightly golden. Now add pasta sauce to the pan. Mix well and then add a little dry basil and a pinch of salt. Stir everything nicely and let the sauce cook on low flame for about 10 minutes. This will allow all the flavors to blend beautifully. While the sauce is cooking, let's prepare the meatballs. Preparing the meatballs, 1:30 to 3 o'clock. Take 3 bread slices and add some milk to them. Let the bread soak until it becomes soft. Now take half a kilogram of minced meat, keema, in a bowl. Add the soaked bread slices to the mince. Then add 1 egg and Parmesan cheese. Mix all the ingredients very well using your hands or a spoon until everything is nicely combined. Now shape the mixture into medium-sized meatballs. Place the meatballs on a baking tray and bake them at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, or until they are nicely cooked. Final cooking and serving, 3 to 4 o'clock. After baking, take the meatballs and add them to the prepared sauce. Gently mix and let them cook together for a few more minutes so the meatballs absorb the sauce flavor. And now our delicious meatballs with sauce are ready to serve. You can enjoy them with pasta, rice, bread, or even as a lunchbox meal for kids. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.